Good evening, one and all. This group session has been held for a topic life after COVID-19. We have just ruined after these tragedy, and we have a new life, and certain people have lost their lives. One thing that is certain, we know that adjusting to change will be challenging. Be it planned and unplanned, gradual or sudden change is inevitable and very much part of being human. Over the past few months, we have experienced an unprecedented shift in our way of life due to COVID 19. Pre pandemic, who would have thought that toilet paper could become as precious as gold? And now, a trip to do a weekly grocery shop seems like an adventure of its own. Before we know it, we are relatively let go of our old normal and now setting into what seems to be our normal. Even when society starts up again, there will still be restrictions, and we are facing fundamental shifts to our way of life. So, what does the new normal looks like here? Or some thoughts and realities below? Okay, Mr. Ishwar, continue.
Thank you, Ajmal, to join this group discussion. And I'm going to discuss. Well, well, before we talk about the COVID-19, it is urgent needs to talk about the life after the lockdown. It is very different to imagine that anyone of us can return to what we the old normal. Shops and office will slowly limp up, putting up a brave front and expecting all their energy to ensure that they survive somehow. The government has had to share a blueprint to survive and recovery of Kitchen economy. There is no on how to supply chain will be maintained, restore and repair in the absence of those who have food, water to make this city. Thank you. Arul, you can continue.
Thank you, Ishwar. Working out of home has become the new normal. Nobody could have imagined such a scene a few months ago. Today, it's a reality we have accepted as life goes on. We must learn to live with the vicious microbe and its skills of disease. We must accept the millions will get infected the future. But then life is now the different from the most precedent of films as the society heads towards the future indication in your healthcare systems have been expressed worldwide. Millions have lost their worldwide robot economics a few months ago have halted toward a crash. Salary cuts have become the new norm. The poor have become poorer. Few are reporting on the mystery of middle class, whose financial struggles are frequently hidden behind those who have suffered setbacks and those who have not have changed their approach to spending already. Apart from those who are inclusivity, however, every person has been wearing one of the safeguard against virus when he steps out of home. Thank you. Arvind, Arvind, continue.
Yes, a million has a lost of job worldwide. The robust economic few months ago is headed towards the east. Yes, salary gets has become a new round, and the poor of becomes poorer. As few reporting is the mystery of middle class. The financing is the struggle to frequency is get of itself, and wearing a mask of being made mandatory of almost importance avoiding the virus. You should be cover your mouth and nose. It is a mask, and a mask there is no gap between your face. A mask replaces the within a new one of zone as a jump, and a new is reuse single of use mask more than once. Yeah, remember of press your own bags and personal studies is out of stop. Two, daily out of COVID status is a benefit to understanding the current situation and around your areas, almost stopping the details of supporting medias and these cases reached of out of might handling is emergency. Thank you. Godwin, continue please.
Thank you, Arvind. It is extremely important to be there, cautious and take even more precaution that before while stepping out. Now is the time to take stay so ensure the other follow suit in terms of stay safe and alert. In this regard, it is critical to passing the information and precautionary measures as before advisory issued by Minister of Health and Family Welfare among our citizens with the internet of battling the virus while going out our day-to-day affairs in a relatively relaxed phase of lockdown. Although the government of India yet to release another set of guidelines around the safety measure and mandatory protocols for all the curb the spread of COVID-19 in the new phase of lockdown. Kaushika, you can start.
Yeah, yeah.
நீ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
Hello. The way we live is different. Mask and gloves may be commonplace depending on where in the world you live. Quenching to know the norm. Be it when visiting health professionals, going to the shops, or even getting a gift. We do a double take when we hear someone cough, sneeze, or sniff. We have been controlling these past few days to be hyper vigilant for these symptoms. But hopefully we might also mean that higher standards of hand and personal hygiene will continue. We will stay to holiday more in our own backyards due to travel reasons, which can be good thing for local economics as they cope with decline in overseas and interstate tourist numbers. Create and find pockets of joy. The new normal can be challenging at times, so celebrate anything that puts a smile on your face. Large or small, made a nice cup of tea this morning. Give yourself a break. You are allowed to take things one moment at a time. We may know what the next minute or even the next hour will bring. Kirtana will continue this talk.
Thank you, Kaushika. Essential workers such as doctor and nurse will find employment in private sector. Those aspiring for position as non-essential sector will realize that their struggle has increased manifold. Whether or not the mask can prevent the coronavirus from invading the body is debatable. While the illustration of green dragon breathing fire on one such a mask won't burn the virus, each sensible person will at least wear a plain one until somebody finds out if it is or any real use. We are using the hand sanitizer, putting clothes inside washing machine. The moment we get back home and having a bath more than once every day, these newly developed good habits shall remain unchanged for years to come. Many sectors in which social distancing get evitable, threatened must refine their approach. Education institutions cannot have classroom with each student sitting 1 foot away from the other. The fear of coronavirus won't evaporate overnight, and students won't be comfortable sitting inside the crowded classroom. Their parents may not allow them to go to do that anyway, which is understandable. The entertainment industries must take a fresh look at its manner of functioning with actor, in particular being tested before sequence involving physical or film. A personal entertainment on laptops, cell phone will be prioritized over a visit. Also, theater owner must find a way to ensure social distancing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your time. And I have a summary of the way we have living, and we're gonna start this. I think so for a temporary life. There, some of them are masks and gloves may be commonplace depending on where the world you live. Queuing is now the norm, be it when visiting health professionals, going to the shops, or even getting in a lift. Public transport looks a very different with social distancing in place and commuters wearing the masks and gloves. We do double take when we hear someone cough, sneeze, or snuffle. We have been conditioned these past few months to be hyper vigilant for those symptoms. But hopefully, this might also mean the higher standards of hand and personal hygiene.
Link
Sorry.
வருந்தண்டா
Sorry for that.
இன்னும் 5 நிமிஷத்துல வந்தாதான் submit பண்ண முடியும்.
Start a holiday more in a backwards.
வேமாடா
Travel restrictions we can and only be good thing for local economies and a lot, and we have to struggle to start the
Record
new
பண்ணுடா.
and we have that. So we have a responsibility to help others who have nothing, and we have more responsibilities behind our bones, especially the students who are facing the online classes and the students who are the final year students who are clashing in the interviews, etc. Thank you all for participating in
Hello.
the discussion. Thank you all.
Yada.